here we go again. I'm cooking fish. Ain't burning up me not either. And then here we have anise, star anise, and so this now is for the smell of the fish. Turn it down on low, and now I chop all these shit up. And then I have some more in here, so that's supposed to stick on here, and it's right there. Alrighty, that needs to turn. Now I'm burning shit up, and I'm gonna make me some rice. Nice step up only for today. I'm on iPhone, not my daughter's iPhone. So as you can see my head, I don't know. So this is what's up. I think it's time to take up my fish. I literally have to cook today because I have to keep the side is white. And I have eye-sensitive allergies, so my head hurts because of the fragrance that this is out. But I don't want my house to be stink. Oh, we can open it like not going to say what. Okay. This is not the basmati that is in here. As you can see, it's a brown basmati rice. It's not. It's the other rice with the red bag with the lady with something on her head. So it's not it. I think that's enough. I think that's enough.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I don't know the measurement of anything. All I know how to cook the rice. So that one, don't use salt. I use these seasonings. Can you see my face?
Yeah. Enough of this.
Enough, enough?
What matters?
And butter. But I also buy the garlic strips and put in here. The garlic strip finished this morning. So I put this butter that comes in the little sachet pack. It's cheaper, but I have the original pack. And I put it in this one because it's just cheaper, and I had this one facing as well. Okay, so when I do this, I don't ever stir that again until it dries out, and I stir it. When it boils, I turn it down, and it stays simmer until when it dried out, and I turn it. Hi! I stir it. 2 minutes later, I turn it off. Voila, I got rice. And this is burning as always. Yep. Super. I have a thing for wiping. Okay. So this, I am waiting for the hot water. I think that's enough butter. That's about it, I think. Entire start reaction. I can turn this one off now. Okay. When you marinate, I think, the vegetables, so you don't need all of that. Yes, baby. I get your text. Yep. So let this simmer down, cook down, whichever, same difference. I'm medium, so I'm medium already. Want my pot side to myself. So cleaned off the pot side. This is the rice. So I want to stir it and show you. So I did stir it, but I weren't supposed to show it stir. Okay, so this turned off. I wanted to show you before I stir it, but now I didn't. So when it looks like this, you stir it because it dried out. All the water dried out. It's just a little moist. So you do that, and it's cooked. It's already cooked. Just need it to dry out now, and it's on the lowest. I can go all the way around to the low, and that's that. This gets cold. So this can warm. Yeah, all right, ready. So this is what the finishing products look like. And
That's it.
that's the food from this morning, the dumplings. Nobody wants the dumplings from this morning? So this is within my budget. I can afford vegetables and stuff right now. So